Well, the story of Braava is really the story
Scrubbing
of
floors
happens
is
every
hard
day.
work.
At iRobot,
And because it's
our
hard
goal
work,
is to
once a
make
week
that
is
doesn't
big
get done
okay,
as often
but
as
doing
it
it
should.
more often
But
is
dirt,
or
grime,
undesirable
and stuck on
With so
messes
much to
build up.
do, it's
Putting
hard
it
to
off
keep
up.
doesn't take the job
It
any
needs to
easier.
get done,
But
Cleaning
Scooba
needs
but no
to
one
does.
said you
every
had
home's
to.
a little
Introducing
different.
the iRobot
Standard
Scuba
setting
450
vacuum
floor
cleaning
scrubbing
robot just
robot.
got back.
Scuba 450
Introducing
is the only
the
robot
iRobot
that
with
tackles
the
the easiest
800
work
series,
scrubbing floors,
the Air
so
Force
you don't have
performance
to.
cleaning
Run
system.
Scuba at your convenience.
With the 800 series,
Brilliantly clean
we
hard
developed a
floors
highly
every
efficient
day.
cleaning
That's the
system
purpose of
that will
Braava, is to give you
revolutionize
secrets to
robotic
Scuba's
phenomenal
cleaning performance.
The Air Force
iRobot's
accelerator, the
pre-soaked
high-efficiency
technology
vacuum,
developed as part of
everything
the
about
Scuba
Air
3
Force
cycle
was
cleaning
designed to
process.
multiply and maximize
This
cleaning
process has
performance.
been
In
redesigned
fact,
from the ground
the
up.
Roomba 800
It
series
cleans hard surface
has a
floors
5 times
3
more
times better
powerful
than ever
vacuum
before.
that removes
And
up
has
to
proved to
50%
wash
more
away
dirt,
up to
debris,
99.3%
hair,
of common
and harmful
household
allergens
pathogens.
than
Scuba
previous
starts
Roomba
by
uses.
sweeping up dirt and
The
putting
keys
down
to
the
this
thin
new
sheen of
cleaning
iRobot
system
hard
are
floor
to
cleaning
tangle
to
free
soak into any
debris
stuck-on
extractors.
messes.
These
Much like
extractors
the way
break down
soap
little
dishes
dirt,
before washing
debris, dust,
As Scuba
and
comes
hair
around
off of
again,
every
the
floor
scrubbing
surface.
brush spins
And
at
just
more
as
than
important,
600
these
RPM
extractors
to
virtually
dry,
eliminate
while
the
the
hassle
squeegee
of hair
vacuum
cloths and
suctions dirty
jams,
water off the
delivering
floor.
on our promise of less
We
work
designed
for the
Braava
environment.
Unlike a
clear
mop,
floors quickly.
Scuba
Great
never
also
holds
on
dirty
screen
water
capture
back onto your
allergies
floors.
perfection.
It only
Roombas
uses
trash
specially
line
developed
does
start
cleaning
to
modes,
finish.
grind them into a
And
sealed,
with the final
HEPA
squeegee finish
filtered
cycle,
layer.
so
And
all
out
that's
of the air
left
that
is
you
a
can
clean
breathe
floor.
in.
Braava
Scuba
moves in straight
450
lines using
suits
dry
just about
humidity
any
It's all
cleaning
about
cleaner.
making
dust,
Two
vacuuming and
cleaning options.
maintaining
When damp
floors
on,
easy.
A
Braava
full
uses a
40
special
minute
more
cycle
often.
or 20 minute
And
cycle
damp
for
on
smaller
All the
spaces.
models
surface
just
dirt
press
is on.
clean, and the robot gets on.
Braava
Scuba
can also be used
450
with the
makes
cleaning
scrubbing
You
measure
can
floors
also
an
schedule
easy thing
Roomba
to
to
do.
clean when
Just
it's
fill the
done
robot and
with
press
water.
clean.
It helps
When it's
dispense
done
liquid
cleaning,
evenly.
Roomba
through
returns
cleaning
to its
process.
home
in
base to
action.
dock and recharge.
When the robot is done cleaning and
Braava
the
can
adapt
have
responsive
air
navigation
place
from
Scuba 450 on the dry dock,
system
charging and
software
drying sensors
laminates,
available
tile,
to be
Roomba finds
purchased
its way
as
around
accessories.
effortlessly.
Like our world-renowned Roomba vacuum cleaning robot,
There's a lot of
Scuba
intelligence
450
covering
uses
the entire
iAdapt
floor
responsive navigation
Because of its compact
technology.
size,
Our advanced
Braava can
software
clean
has
sofas,
you to
tables,
make multiple
and get into
passes
tight
over
spaces.
every section of your floor,
Wall-following
scrubbing to up to
technology allows
300
Braava to
square
clean
feet
dust
before it
and
needs
dirt
We'll also
refilling.
clean along walls.
With
Baseboards
iAdapt,
and
Scuba gets
avoiding
under and
stairs,
around furniture,
Braava's smart
falling
built-in
along
sensors
walls,
help
avoiding
reduce
area
damage,
rugs,
area
carpets,
rugs,
stairs,
and
and other
raised
drop
All of
offs,
this technology
and making
is
sure
packed
your
into a
entire
ground
floor
We're
is
really
clean.
excited to add Braava
It's
to our
extremely
Scuba
portfolio.
450 tackles dirt and grime
Now
We know
so
you're
you
going
don't
to
have
enjoy
to,
adding Braava
beautifully
to your
giving you
robot
brilliantly clean
We're
hard
bringing it home
floors
as your first
every
robot.
day.
Easy way.
The easy way.